Morning, folks. John Canode here from Ormond Beach, Florida. Today is like day 5 of the Scagg Zero Turn Resurrection. This thing was surely on its way to turning to dust, and we've done a lot to it. First of all, I bought it locally here in Ormond Beach for $400. My son bought it for $400, and not knowing what was wrong with it, the only thing I knew was that the engine wasn't locked up. That's the most important thing to me. Everything else, in my mind, is fixable. So the tires are bad. The gas tanks are full of water. The left one has a hole in it. The left tank. Carburetor was bad, full of water. The starter didn't work. The engine still has an oil leak, which we have to repair. And the park brakes were broken and locked up. And the mower deck was rusted pretty bad. Not to the point where we couldn't fix it though. So far we've repaired the park brakes, the rear tires. I've got front tires on order. Got the carburetor rebuilt. Got the engine running good. Got the tanks cleaned out. The right one is functionable and producing good fuel flow. So what's next is welding up replacing the rotten metal on the deck. And we're gonna do that today. So let's get started.